Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Shelly Viva. Today we will learn emotions. So let's get started. What are emotions? Emotions are feelings you show in order to show your reaction to a situation, event, person, etc. For example, if you're having a good time with your friends, then you are happy. Happy is the emotion you have in this case. Let's take a look at more examples. First example is surprised. Elena is surprised. As you notice in the picture, you see her that she is indeed surprised. Confused. My friend is confused. Notice his face. He's showing confusion. He is confused. Shocked. She is shocked. Scared. He is scared. Happy. They are happy. Happy. We are happy. Angry. Ken is angry. Excited. You are excited. Sad. He is sad. Worried. I am worried. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope that this video helped you. And for more videos like this, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much. And see you all soon.